PowerEgg-X. If you're interested in technology, you've probably heard of the Chinese company Powervision. For years, it's been delighting its customers with interesting and unique drones. And this year, at the international exhibition CES, the brand showed its latest development. PowerEgg-X is a device with an original design, which will allow you to record video both on the ground and in the air. It's the perfect gadget for vloggers. When you open the companion app, the smartphone acts as a microphone. It features smart facial recognition as well as AI tracking. The 12-megapixel camera shoots 4K videos and has image stabilization. Other advantages include hyperlapse and slow motion modes. As you can see, PowerEgg-X is also wireless. The battery provides enough power for 4 hours of shooting. The Wizard model costs $1,250 and it can fly in rainy weather as well. The Explorer model has a simpler configuration and only costs $900.